Let's impute a few things. Let's have Tola join me as we populate this. Toby. Let's format these numbers a little. As you can see, it's difficult to tell if this is 4 million or 435,000 or 43 million. So what do? We're going to format these numbers properly. Okay, and one way to do that is to add your thousand separator. Look at this comma. Highlight the entire column and click on this comma. Can you see that? If we don't need this cover sign, you can decrease the decimal number using this icon. Can you see that? So let's do the same for the amount paid. Highlight the entire column, click on your thousand separator, and let's decrease the decimal point. Okay, you're making progress. So let's start with some calculations. First of all, I want to see the total amount due. Let me add another name here. Let's have the total amount of the course we have registered so far. Okay, so what would that be? Here, once I click here, within the home tab, come to the editing group. Okay, and this icon, this submission icon, if you click, you have so many options there. You have your sum, you have your average, count numbers, and so on. But the first option there is sum. So if you click on it, it's going to automatically, do a calculation of everything in this column. But it's asking you, is this correct? Are we adding up from E2 to E11? If that's correct, good. Click enter. Okay, and we can do the same for this place. Okay, now we have it here. Just click on this submission icon and then the same thing. What if you don't want to add up everything within this column? What if the only thing you want to add up is the first three lines? I can edit this. This is not cast in stone. So I can say add it up from F2 to maybe F5, for instance. Can you see that? So you can edit it. But in this case, we want it up to F11. Click enter. Okay, now this is one. I want to delete this. I told us the other time that autofill works for both numbers, text, and even formulas. So now I have applied auto sum here. Instead of performing the same operation here, I can just drag this. So bring your cursor to the edge of this box and drag it. What have you done? You have to automatically drag the formula from E12 to F12. Let's see if we are correct. Oh yes, look within your formula bar. So what you have in this box is summation from F2 to F11. Let's do another type of calculation. Now here also, if you have the amount due, you have the amount paid, you want to find out what the outstanding is. All you need to do is type your equal to, and then you click E2 minus E12. Then you have that.